hidden among the trunks of mature trees, a quiet resident of Pakistan's woodlands, lives largely unnoticed. This is the yellow-crowned woodpecker, a bird rarely seen, rarely photographed, and still poorly understood within Pakistan. The yellow-crowned woodpecker, known for its subtle beauty and shy nature, is one of the lesser-known woodpeckers of South Asia. Unlike more vocal and conspicuous woodpeckers, this species blends into its surroundings, revealing itself only through soft calls and rhythmic tapping. In Pakistan, the yellow-crowned woodpecker is considered a rare resident, with scattered and infrequent records. Sightings are mostly limited to areas with old trees, open woodlands, and riverine forests, habitats that are steadily shrinking due to urban expansion and logging. This woodpecker feeds primarily on insects hidden beneath tree bark, beetle larvae, ants, and termites, using its strong bill and specially adapted tongue. It plays an important role in controlling forest pests, quietly maintaining the health of its ecosystem. During the breeding season, the yellow-crowned woodpecker excavates nest cavities in old or partially decayed trees. These nesting sites are later used by other birds and small animals, making woodpeckers true ecosystem engineers of the forest. The yellow-crowned woodpecker is a medium-sized woodpecker, instantly recognizable by its densely spotted black and white back and blotchy brown and white underparts. The female shows an entirely golden crown, while the male can be identified by a distinct red foreground, a key feature visible during active feeding or calling. In areas where it overlaps with the brown-fronted woodpecker, careful observation is required. The yellow-crowned woodpecker shows heavier, blotchier, brown markings on the underparts, a paler vent, and a duller crown. Its presence is often revealed by sound, giving sharp call notes and a high, descending rattle, especially while moving through trees in dry, arid habitats with open foliage. Across South Asia, the yellow-crowned woodpecker has a patchy but stable distribution, occurring in parts of India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bangladesh. In Pakistan, however, its presence is far more limited. Records are scattered and localized, mostly from Punjab's old plantations, riverine forests, and wooded farmlands. Due to its elusive nature and the lack of focused surveys, the true status of this species in Pakistan remains underdocumented, highlighting the need for more field observations and awareness. The greatest threat to this rare resident is the loss of mature trees, especially dead and decaying ones that are often removed without understanding their ecological value. As these trees disappear, so do the birds that depend on them. The yellow-crowned woodpecker reminds us that not all rare wildlife lives deep in remote jungles. Sometimes it survives quietly among us, waiting to be noticed, protected, and respected.